This video shows a dry run test of our double-head decoiler. The machine is tested without a coil, focusing on basic movements. The press arm lifts and lowers smoothly. The A-side mandrel rotates in both forward and reverse directions. The mandrel expands and contracts with stable operation. The double-head decoiler unit indexes to switch between the A and B sides. This design helps reduce coil change time and improve production efficiency. On the B side, the press arm lifts and lowers. The B side mandrel rotates forward and backward. The mandrel completes expanding and contracting smoothly. The test run demonstrates smooth movement and reliable performance. In a production line, the double-head design supports continuous operation. It helps reduce downtime during coil change and improves overall line efficiency.